Let's look at how to find area on the grid of various shapes. So we're going to focus on how to find the area of the blue shape, and we're going to use the green outer frame rectangle to help us figure that out. So the green rectangle's area is a little bit easier to find than the blue one. So we're going to do a 3 by 1 triangle here. So this is going to be 3 times 1 divided by 2, which is 1.5. That's this piece of that outer rectangle. The other triangle over here is, this is 6 and then 4 more. So this is 10 by 2. So 10 times 2 divided by 2 is 10 for, again, area of a right triangle. This is 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 times 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. So this area here of all those triangles we're going to add together. So 10 and 4.5 and 1.5. And that gives us an area of 16. And then we're going to look at the whole rectangle all together. So the whole rectangle would be 3 by 10. So the whole rectangle is 3 times 10, which is 30. So to get the blue area, we're going to take away all these corners. Take away the 10, the 4.5, and the 1.5 away from the 30, aka take away 16 from 30, and you get what's left. So the area inside of this triangle is 14. And that's how we're going to do all of these using what's called the framing method. So my idea here, I'm going to do a little different order this time. This area of the rectangle is 6 by 9. So the whole rectangle is 6 times 9, which is 54. That's the rectangle area. And then we're going to again take away all the corners. So all the triangles on the corners, I mean. So this is going to be 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So 6 times 5 divided by 2 is 15. So this triangle is 15. This one is 1 by 4. So 1 times 4 divided by 2 is 2. And the other one here is, this looks like it's 5 by 9. So 5 times 9 divided by 2 is 45 divided by 2, which is 22.5. So I'm going to put all those areas of those triangles together. So 22.5, 15, and 2. And I'm just going to bring down the decimal here. That becomes a 9, and that becomes 39.5. So the blue area inside is going to be 54 minus 39.5, which then gives us, do some borrowing here, 14.5. So this triangle's area is 14.5 once you subtract all the corners from it. Move on to some squares here. Very similar, I'm going to use the outside frame. So the outside frame here is just counting it out here, is 9 by 9. So this rectangle is actually a square for the outside square. Not the blue square, this is the outside green square, is 9 times 9 is 81. The nice thing about squares is every corner on the inside here is going to be the same. That's the same as this triangle all the way around, they're all the same. So once I find one, I can find the other ones really quickly by just multiplying. So this is 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 6 divided by 2 is 18 over 2, which is 9. So every corner here is going to be also a 3 by 6. So this is 3 by 6. So that's 9, 3 by 6, again, divided by 2, is 9 and 9. So we've got 9 times 4, which is 36. So our inside area is 81 minus 36, which is 45. So this square has an area of 45. Here's one more here. Same idea. This outer square is like it's 10 by 10. So outer square, 10 times 10 is 100. Again, every corner is going to be the same. This is 2 by 8. So 2 times 8 divided by 2 is 8. So every corner here is 8. So we do 8 times 4 is 32. And then to get the inside, we're going to do 100 minus 32, which is, sorry here, that should have gone a little slower, my borrowing. That should be 9, that should be 10. It should be 68. So the inside of this square is an area of 68 units squared.